Good morning, everyone. This is Akanksha, and today we are going to discuss how to access the online student portal through the Class of One app. So, through this application, student can check their daily attendance, homework, remarks given by the teachers, communications like circular, news, etc. Through this application, they can also reach out on Oxford portal. So here you can see this is your web URL, the class of fun.edunixtechnologies.com. Just put this address in your web URL. You can see this login screen. Now put your username and password given by the teachers, given by the concerned class teacher. I have taken one dummy example and click on this login button. So as you log in the screen, a student portal will become like this. So this is a student dashboard. Through these four horizontal lines, you can see the menus like this. So this is the menus and this is the dashboard. It's a quick summary of portal. Like student can check monthly attendance. If is there any circular, they can check it out. Assignments, history, images related to functions. This is a student icon. Through this icon, you can log out the screen, you can change your password, and through this login with Oxford, you can directly redirect on Oxford portal. See, this is the Oxford portal. Here student can do daily activities. They can check the notifications, report sections, activity corners, etc. Now come back to the portal. Here is a my profile section. Through my profile, student can check their basic informations, father details, mother details, etc. If is there any additional information required by the school, then they can check it from this additional information tab. Now come to the second button, that is my attendance. Through my attendance tab, student can check their daily attendance. P is for present, LC is for late coming. So this is a attendance graphical view and table view. Again, we have a subject period attendance. This is a day wise attendance. And if school is taking the attendance subject wise, then student can check the attendance subject wise. Let's say it's English subject. In English, at 11th of June, student is present. Period wise also, we can verify. Now come to the third tab, that is event calendar. It's a school calendar. All the necessary activities is given in this calendar. The fourth tab is circular. So student can check the circular through the dashboard also and from the view. Both options we have. Student can check the circular. After that we have a homework tab. Just click on this button of homework. Here student can see there are three subjects in which student has received the homework. In action, there are two buttons. One is for details and other one is action button. So if student will click on this pencil icon, he can check all the necessary details related to that homework. Come back. There is an action button. Through action button, student can submit the homework. Just click on this button. You can mention answer. If is there any URL, then student can also attach the URL. After that, we have the option of add the attachment like PPT, doc, JPG, JPEG, anything, and they can save it. In this way, student can submit their homework. So now come to the next option, that is fee. In fee there are two subtabs. One is fee details. Through fee details, student can check their fee, the whole academic year fee with the details. Now come to the second tab, that is online fee payment. Through this button, student can pay online fees. He will select one installment. They can also select the multiple installment. It's all up to the student. This is terms and condition page. Through this button, student can check the terms and condition. Once he will click on this agree button, proceed button will be appear. Now click on this proceed button, fill the necessary details and click on this button of proceed. So you can see you are redirecting on payment gateway page. Here just fill the necessary details and click on this button of pay now. So once the student will pay the fee, he will receive online fee receipt. Now come to the another tab, that is results. So through this button, student can check their online result. Another one is communication. In communication, we have compose button. Through compose, student can communicate with the class teacher or principal. Another button is inbox. Student can check all the message coming from the school. Outbox is like email. Student can check all the out messages which he had sent to school. There are some reports, and after that we have SMS history. Another option, that is eConnect. Through eConnect, student can directly enter into the live classes. Through this start button, student can directly enter into the live class. And through this details button, student can check all the necessary details regarding the classes. Once classes will be finished, this start button will disappear. Now come to the another option, that is e-learning. So e-learning, it's a dashboard. Here we can see how many homeworks student has received, quizzes. They can directly join the quiz through this start button. Once I'll click on this button, answer, finish test. So in this way, student can attempt the quiz. Now the another option in e-learning. See, once we will finish the quiz, the start button is disappeared. Currently status is not checked. This is eConnect. You can also directly join the classes through this button. Discussion board, if is there any topic regarding the discussion released by the teacher, then student can check from here. Latest resources, what all are the latest resources which are added. Like recently, one video has been added related to this chapter and one document has added related to this chapter. Now come to the another option, that is image gallery. Student can check all the images through this option regarding any events which were done into the school. Through this button timetable, student can check their timetable. Like this, student can check their daily timetable. Also through this quiz button, student can directly enter into the quiz like he was entered through e-learning tab. Through this button, after that we have quiz result. So once assessment will be checked by the teachers, student can check their result through this window. So thank you everyone. I hope this video will be very much helpful to take the better understanding of this portal. Thank you.